How to make a welcome channel Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Discord application and then select the channel where you want to make a welcome channel. After that, go to create channel, select text channel. Now create it. Now tap on its profile icon and then go to settings. Go to channel permissions, then go to advanced view and then provide all the informations or all the permissions. After that, go to your preferred browser and then search for MEE6 Discord bot. This is the one you would be looking for. Now go to add to Discord. After that, simply select your server where you have created the channel. Now go to setup and the welcome bot will be set up in your channel like this. Simply go to authorize and done. After confirming that you are not a robot, the bot will be set up. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.